Make pork like this and everyone will ask you for the recipe. I have a 700-gram piece of pork belly here. After cutting it up, transfer it to another container. A teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of honey. And now let's stir. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. 1 cup of wheat flour. And we'll add the pieces of pork belly. Once this is done, fry them in a pan of hot oil. Let it fry until it's golden brown. Now remove from the pan and set aside. 3 tablespoons of pepper jelly, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 crushed garlic cloves. I'll also add crushed ginger and the amount to taste. Lastly, I'll add a tablespoon of brown sugar. And now we can mix these ingredients together. At this point, we'll return the pork to the pot. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.